So today I'm going to share with you recipe of masala chai, masala tea, for the people who don't belong to the cultural group where masala chai is taken. This is for you specially. And also I want to share my version of masala tea because I'm certain that there are many kinds of masalas which people use in their chai. I have my own version which I love, and I use a combination of different masalas which I'm going to share with you. So the first one, very important, is ginger. So I've just peeled it. I'm going to take small pieces. I'm making this for my mom and my sister and myself, and in it I'm going to add 2, 3, I'm just looking for good pieces, 3 to 4 pieces. I think I'm taking just 3 pieces of cardamom, and I'm also taking 3 pieces of clove. So these I will be grinding and then I'll be putting on my tea. So for that I'm not going to grind it in the mixture or something. I'm just gonna do it like this. Let me just complete the process. It's ground roughly like that. We don't need to do it finely or anything as such. So now we are going to take the saucepan and take water and milk. Normally if I'm making 3 cups of tea, I always take 1 cup of water, 1 to 1.5, because a little bit is soaked in by the tea leaves as well. So 1 cup and a little bit of water, and then of course double that amount of milk. Okay, now let us put this on heat, and let us also put all these ingredients, but I want to show this. Here's our masala, and here is the pan. Putting it on maximum heat. I'm taking this and just putting it in the saucepan. There goes the masala. That's the mixture of water, milk and masala. Now we are going to put some sugar. Okay. So you are going to put sugar as per your taste. Okay. We always put 4 spoons this big for 3 cups of tea. That's the amount of sugar we love, but it can differ. 2 in, 3, and 1 more. Yeah, that's how much sweet we have. Okay, we love it. And the whole kitchen and the entire house is aromatic because of the masala. It's lovely. Wow. Okay, now that the water and sugar has come to a boil, I'm going to add the tea leaves. So at this point, when the milk is boiling, milk and water, we are going to put the tea leaves. So there goes 1 spoon. I think I'm going to do 2.5. It again depends on how dark you like your tea or how strong you want the flavor to be. I like it on the stronger side, so I'm going to take 2.5 spoons and then let it brew and let the color come out totally. Again, it is as per your taste. I love it when the color is like dark brown, so I just let it boil until the time it gives that color to me. And also a little bit of froth might be accumulated at the sides. Until the time it is completely gone, I keep boiling the tea, and that's when it becomes a perfect cup of tea. Let me show you. Process continues until the entire froth, the bubbles are gone. Okay. Okay, now the tea is ready. I'm just gonna pour it in. Look at the color. That's perfect color for me. Okay, let me give a taste test. Wow, perfect sugar and also the aroma. I just love it, and this is the kind of tea that I have always. If you like it, please like this video and do try this recipe.